Let's go on a fun adventure exploring clothes together. First, let's start with a hat. It goes on top of your head. It keeps you cool and stylish, whether blue, green, or red. Fun clothing, let's see what we can wear. Outfits and accessories for every day and everywhere. Next, we have the shirt with buttons, sleeves, and more. Short-sleeved or long-sleeved, it's a piece we all adore. Fun clothing, let's see what we can wear. Outfits and accessories for every day and everywhere. Now we move to pants. They cover your legs just right. Shorts for sunny days and jeans for the night. Fun clothing, let's see what we can wear. Outfits and accessories for every day and everywhere. Don't forget the shoes, sneakers, boots, and more. They help us run and jump and explore the great outdoors. Fun clothing, let's see what we can wear. Outfits and accessories for every day and everywhere. So let's mix and match and create our style with care. Dressing up is so much fun for kids everywhere. Upbeat music fades out. And that's our fun clothing song. Keep exploring and enjoy dressing up in your favorite outfits. The end. Thank you for learning with us about outfits. Please do not forget to subscribe to get notifications on our next videos. Stay tuned for more.